Hi guys, let's see how to find all the programs, all the apps which are installed on your Mac, the complete list. So when you go to Finder and Applications, it don't give you the list of complete apps or software installed on your Mac. It just group it by previous 30 days or previous 7 days or today. So to find the complete list of applications, what you can do, you can just click on the Apple icon on the top left, and now click on About this Mac, and now click on More Info. And now when you will go here, just click on System Report, and now from here just click on Applications and just drag it down to make it large. And now this is the list of all the applications on your system. Okay, the version number is also listed. There is one more way to find it via terminal. Just open terminal and now type ls/applications, hit enter, and the list of all the applications on your MacBook will be listed here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.